Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Jocelyn Mangilit. I'm a real estate investment property specialist here in Avida and Amaya. I'm an accredited salesperson. My focus projects is Avida Towers Verge, where the home begins. Invest now at Avida Towers Verge, where your aspiration converge. Avida Towers Verge has three tower. It has Tower 1, Tower 2, and Tower 3. It is a high-rise condo in Reliance Street, corner Mayflower Street, Highway Hills, Mandaluyong. Why I really love this project? Because the development offers unparalleled access to all key places in the metro. Here, your aspirations here in life are never too far away. So also we have amenities for adult and kiddie pool, clubhouse, play area, indoor gym. So I'm here right now in the Focus project. So there you go. This is our showroom and the model units.